Hi, I'm Lisa Young, and I am going to do a journal spread with you, so you can just watch me as I do it. This one is super simple. I grabbed some random pieces from Art House Whimsy. The little girl I did do some doodles on, and then I also wrote some words out so that on a word strip so I could put with the layout. I had an idea, and this is just a quick little layout, but it's a perfect example that you don't really need to spend a ton of time. Sometimes these ideas just come really quickly, and just cutting and pasting can be so therapeutic and so meditative whenever you're doing it. And I just kind of needed this today, so I thought I would share the results and have you follow along. One thing I will note is that this little journal that I have is getting really, really chunky, so I did clip it down with some fish clips, and so somebody is going to ask me where I got them, and I can't remember. I cannot remember where I got them. I think I searched fish clips because I saw somebody use them on the internet, and then I bought them. That's as best I can do with those. And the clip art obviously is Art House Whimsy, like I said. And if you look through, because this is random pieces that I had in a little envelope, so I'm not sure. I think this girl comes from some spring collection. I'm not sure about the light bulb. It might be from a spring collection as well. But go look at her stuff. She has some beautiful pieces, and they really help you just throw some pages together really quickly. And if you're like me and sometimes you just don't have a ton of time, but you still want to create something, it's perfect for that.